Previous dental facility that is now perfect for any medical building or business. For lease or for sale. The total building is 3,166 square feet. The motivated seller is offering a 4% commission. Most equipment has been removed. Previously was divided with the dental side of 1,656 square feet and a waiting room and reception, and the other side was 1,510 square feet of offices and a kitchen and meeting room. Now being sold or leased as one building. Will also owner finance. This building has been a long-term dental practice since 1968. A new roof was installed in 2020. New windows, signage. Motivated seller price reduced to $599,900. Floor plan, survey, and ready to lease or sell. Call for a tour today.